New video. Oh, I'm doing a wash day video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be about my wash day, my new wash day technique. Let me turn this phone down. So yes, so I do not do the same things that I do anymore. I've changed my wash day routine quite a bit since the last time I discussed my wash day on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be talking throughout this, explaining why I do certain stuff and whatnot. But it's still the basic pre-poo, wash, and deep condition, and then rinse and air dry, whatever. That's still the routine, but I just braid up my hair now instead of just having my hair out into 4 sections and then washing it out in the shower and applying deep conditioner. So in this video I am 1 week post relaxer. I had my hair for that week. I had my hair in 2 braids, so like I sectioned my hair off and I had it in 2 braids, and I had that the whole week. So less manipulation and whatnot. And after relaxing my hair, like the first week, I don't co-wash within that week. So I just wait for the wash day to wash my hair in a deep condition for that first week. So the first step in the wash day is to section my hair off and then apply my hair bands and braid my hair into single braids. So this is before I pre-poo. So this is the beginning of everything. So while I'm sectioning my hair off, I'm also like separating them, like detangling with my hands. So I got these hair bands from Walmart. It was like $5 for like 100 pieces. They're not elastic and they're very stretchy. I don't know what type of material they're made out of, but they're very stretchy and they do not snag on your hair. The reason why I started doing my hair, my wash days like this is because it's less manipulation on your hair. Honestly, like you guys will see throughout this video how easily it was to wash, deep condition, pre-poo with my hair like this. So I'm done braiding my hair. I know I look crazy right now, but trust me, it was all worth it. I ain't going outside like this though, but I know people in my building be seeing me out here out here with my hair like this, cause I sure do be walking around like that. They be looking at me crazy, but it's cool. Just know that it's wash day. So now we're gonna begin pre-pooing. I'll be using my VO5 moisturizing conditioner to pre-poo along with my oil mixture, and then I'm going to apply it directly onto my braided hair. So directly onto it and saturate it as much as possible. So I'll be applying the mixture to the base of my hair and the ends of my hair, saturating it as much as possible. So now I'm going to sit in the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll rinse it out and shampoo in the shower in these braids. And then come out and apply my conditioner for deep conditioner while still in this braid. So I'm not going to take out these braids until I'm done with the whole wash day and I'm about to start air drying. So I just finished pre-pooing, sitting on the dryer. Now I'm about to go rinse it out and shampoo in the shower. So I'll be using my anti-dandruff shampoo, the Head and Shoulders. I'm using it to cleanse my scalp because I've been having issues with dandruff lately. So like, I'm going to use that one instead of my regular shampoo. Then I'll come back and deep condition. I'm going to shampoo my hair in these braids as well. So this is it after pre-poo. Now I'm going to shampoo. I'll be back. So I just finished shampooing my hair, and I did this shampoo routine just like how I did the pre-poo. I applied shampoo to the base of my hair and to the ends of my hair, and then I rinsed it out. So now I'm going to begin my deep conditioning. I'll be using my ORS deep conditioner, and I'm going to mix it with my oil mixture and then apply it just like how I applied the pre-poo mixture. So same routine, apply to the base and then to the ends. So now that I'm done applying my deep conditioner, I'm about to sit it in the dryer for 30 minutes and then I'm going to rinse off. So after I rinsed off my deep conditioner, I t-shirt dried my hair for about 10 minutes. And now I'm about to take off my braids. So I carefully unravel my braids and then carefully take out my hairband. And after that, I start separating my hair and use my fingers to detangle my hair because I'm not going to comb my hair at all until I'm co-washing, which is within like 3 days. So yeah, so I'm just going to gently detangle my hair with my fingers. When I say I gently detangle my hair, y'all, I take my time with this. I do not rush this process. I gently pull my fingers through and gently swoop it down. You know, trying to get out the little naps, whatever, mats, whatever. Just get it out gently. Do not rip out your hair. So now with the section that I'm done detangling, I apply my leave-in conditioner, which is my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I apply it to my hair and then I move on to the next section. So this is the aftermath of the unraveling and the detangling of the hair and applying the leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to let my hair air dry and then I'll be back. So my hair is about 85% dry, I would say. Still kind of damp up there. So I'm just gonna leave my hair out like this and then probably just put some gel down to gel it down later. But So I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do, like how I'm gonna style my hair. I'll probably just put it back into 2 sections of braids, and yeah, just leave it be. But it's still air drying, so I'll let it fully air dry, and then I'll style it as I want it to. That's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I think I'll record my newly updated condition as well. You know, since I'm doing everything else new, I might as well record that too and, you know, show you guys. But yes, so I will be cutting my hair as well. I think it's time for me to like do a big chop of my bone straight relaxed hair. I think it's time to call it quits with that one and just be fully Texlax. So I think I will probably do that soon, because I've been cutting trimming my hair off camera a lot. But I think it's time for me to say goodbye to it, because now I can really, at first I couldn't tell, now I can really tell, because like look, it's so thin, y'all, at the end, and it's just time for it to go. Probably have my boyfriend cut it for me because I'm scared. But alright, see you guys in my next video.